What's that?
We got another job for him in Roseville.
Oh, maybe.
We
Maybe.
talked about yesterday.
Yeah.
This guy wants to pull some wallpaper off in his kitchen. And he's
How do you
thinking
like
about
wallpaper removal?
Oh, that's just fun. That's just lovely. I love it.
Did you rent a steamer?
No, I just put water on there with a sponge. And I let it soak in. Well, I took a spray bottle too and let it soak in 2 or 3 times and then peeled it off.
I've used like
it worked pretty good.
I've used like a little Hudson sprayer.
Yeah, Hudson sprayer could work too.
Sometimes I use that diff, D-I-F-F, the wallpaper remover, but hot water, saturate it real good, and then I use that diff too.
Right.
That stuff works pretty good. It depends about. One time I had 4 layers of paper on there, and it was like I was there forever.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't want to do this anymore.
All right, so you had to go back to the store. How come? Because you have to get some special texture for this?
Yeah, I got to get some sheetrock joint compounds, what I use, and then you just mix it up.
Just like all-purpose joint compound?
Mix it up pancake batter consistency.
Yeah.
And then do a test run, see if you got it too thick or too runny. You just add a little bit more. You can get the dried mix, but it's a little bit more involved in mixing that up. So I just like.
Well, they have some special spray texture mix, don't they?
Yeah.
But you don't generally use that.
No. The mud works fine. Just water it up a little bit.
Just mix it up, kind of like what? Cake batter or pancake batter?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that works pretty good.
Okay.
Just as it is.
All right. Well, that'll give me just enough time to finish those little patches over there for you.
Yeah, just enough with a quick, fast set.
And you know what? I have a sanding pole end, and I think we might just want to just lightly run it on some of those areas. I did it pretty good. I didn't sand anything just yet because I didn't think you were going to be here. But you know.
I think it's pretty good. I got a sponge too.
Yeah. Oh, you can use a sponge, just a damp sponge, right?
You can use a damp sponge, and then
that'll take down any light ridges.
Yes, and a damp sponge will lessen the dust.
That's a good idea.
On your job site.
Let's do it that way. I like that idea.
Sheetrock dust is the most.
I hate it.
Traveling dust.
I know.
It travels everywhere, and it gets into your nose and everything else.
Because like for this kitchen area, we'd have to put a whole banner of plastic up here along here, all the way across, all the way across those cabinets, over that way, if you wanted to sand this too much. That's why you don't want to sand any more than you have to, especially in an area like this.
Yeah, it travels.
Okay.
It goes.
All right.
So yeah, I think we're good here, and then you're just gonna float this.
Yeah. She wanted, I don't know what you're going to do next to this refrigerator. She just said to get it tight because this refrigerator doesn't have wheels on it to slide it out.
Yeah, I think I'm going to tape a piece of paper in here and then use a mini roller and seal it and then paint it.
Okay, and not even texture that.
Not even texture it.
Yeah.
And you just
the next person will have to mess with it when they take this
when they take the refrigerator
out.
I guess. I'm always leery about the floor.
Yeah, this is brand new.
It's brand new, and if you move it out, you're liable to have a major crash.
Well, if it had wheels on it, we could wheel it out and stuff, but it doesn't. It's the old style. It's just got the feet, and you'd have to take this big old bag, slide it underneath here, blow it up, and then they actually can maneuver it out that way.
Yeah,
that's okay.
Those little sliders work good, but then you got to get, you can't get behind there and put them on it. So I think I'm ready to run down there.
Okay.